Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and backing up. This protects your data if something goes wrong. Once done, make sure you have 20-30% free disk space and connect the Mac to power. Then open the App Store or Software Update and begin the High Sierra download. You're doing this because a clean download reduces corruption risk. The installer will appear in Applications. Do not run other heavy apps. Pause only to confirm backups completed, then double-click the installer to proceed. You now run the installer, agree to the license, and select your startup disk. This begins file preparation and private system updates. Once done, make sure to disconnect external drives and peripherals that aren't needed. Those can block firmware updates. The Mac will restart several times, monitor progress, but avoid forcing shutdowns. If it seems stalled, wait at least 20-30 minutes during each progress stage because file migration and firmware flashing take time. Keep the power connected and stay patient. Once installation finishes, you'll complete the Setup Assistant and sign into iCloud. Make sure to review system preferences and run Software Update to fetch post-upgrade patches. Re-enable File Vault and any third-party drivers and verify critical apps launch. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reset NVRAM and SMC, then boot to recovery to reinstall High Sierra. This often fixes corrupted installer or firmware issues. If that fails, restore from your Time Machine backup and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.